November shock. UK bus passes will auto-renew. Forget all paperwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been relying on your UK bus pass or supporting family members who do, then this is a video you won't want to miss. Today, we're talking about a major update coming this November that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. UK bus passes will now auto-renew, meaning you can forget all that tedious paperwork. So, why is this happening? And what does it really mean for you? Well, the UK government has recognised how stressful and time-consuming it can be to renew bus passes every year. Often, people forget to apply on time, which can lead to missed travel or fines. To tackle this, they're introducing a system where eligible bus passes will renew automatically, keeping your travel seamless and hassle-free. Now, let's break it down. First, the auto-renewal system will cover most standard bus passes, including those for seniors, disabled passengers, and students in certain areas. The idea is simple. If you are already eligible, and your pass is about to expire, the system will automatically extend it without you having to lift a finger. This is huge because it removes the risk of losing access to travel due to missed renewals. But what about eligibility and changes? Don't worry. If your circumstances change, the system will still require verification. For example, if you've moved, your income status has changed, or your disability allowance has been updated, you'll need to confirm your details. However, for most people who remain in the same situation, it's completely hands-off. One of the biggest advantages here is that it saves time and stress. No more scrambling to fill out forms or waiting in long lines at your local council office. The government has promised that notifications will be sent out before your pass renews, so you'll always know what's happening. Plus, the digital updates mean fewer errors and delays compared to the old paper-based system. So, what should you do to prepare for this change? First, make sure your contact information is up to date with your local council. This includes your email address, phone number, and home address. Any discrepancies could delay the auto-renewal or trigger a manual review. Second, keep an eye on any communications from your council. They'll send reminders and confirmations about your pass renewal, so you don't miss anything important. Another tip is to check the expiry date of your current pass. While the system is automatic, it's always a good idea to know when your pass is due to renew. This way, you can plan your travel accordingly and avoid any last-minute surprises. And if you spot any errors, report them immediately so they can be corrected before your pass renews. Now, this update isn't just convenient, it also has bigger benefits. Auto-renewals reduce administrative costs for councils and make public transport more accessible for everyone. By removing barriers like paperwork, more people can use buses regularly, which supports local transport networks and contributes to greener, more sustainable travel. To sum it up, starting this November, the UK bus pass system is getting a major upgrade with auto-renewals. Most eligible passes will renew automatically, saving you time, stress, and paperwork. Just make sure your details are correct and stay aware of council notifications. This is a smart, modern move that makes everyday life a little easier for millions of people across the UK. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more UK news and government updates, and leave a comment below if you've got questions about your bus pass. I love reading your comments and helping you stay ahead of these changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.